Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Bruna. Today is Makeup Monday and I am here to do a first impressions with you guys. We're gonna do first impressions on the Brown Sugar Collection by Colourpop. I know a lot of you guys requested and said please do a whole first impression on this. So I wanted to start off with sharing the swatches with you guys of all of the products that came in the line because it's a lot of stuff. It's gorgeous. They have like lipsticks, eyeliner bases. They have a lot of stuff. So let me go ahead and switch into giving you guys swatches, and then we'll be back and we'll just do a look with this. This is the Brown Sugar Karrueche Colourpop. It's a really nice packaging. If you can see, it has like glitter in the packaging with like a marble look, which is gorgeous. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch these colors. I am going to start with Chai. As you guys know, I use my iPhone to swatch colors just so you guys can see true product, true everything, and also it's in natural light so you guys can see the true colors and the true product of this, because I feel like iPhone gives the best real life live view. So I don't know if you guys could see it, but this is Chai right here. It literally blended into my skin. It's basically going to be a color that just goes right into my skin. It's a transition color. Okay, so this color right here is Jamocha. So I don't know if you guys could see it, but there you go. That color right there is Jamocha, and it's like kind of pigmented. It's just a brown, smoky, really basic color. It's pretty, it's nice and pigmented. I was hoping for a little bit more pigmentation, but it is what it is. Okay guys, so these are the shimmer shades in the palette. It has these three: ginger, auburn, and saute. So this is ginger right here. That is a gorgeous color, as you can tell. It is just so beautiful. You could just put that all over your lids and it'll be bomb. This color here is auburn, which is also super gorgeous. And oh my gosh, it's a very unique brown golden rust shade, which is really, really pretty. And I love this shade. I haven't seen this shade auburn in like any of my collections. This is really nice. The next shade is Saute. This is Saute. This is so pretty. I have a shade like this. I have many palettes with this shade. This whole blue brown shade is like very it's very common, but it's still stunning. It's not as pigmented as I wish it would be, but it is what it is. You know, this color right here is called Sorrel. It's your basic brown, but it is a really pretty brown. I like how it kind of fades to a very like sienna terracotta brown, so I can just see that all over my lids, just fire. And then this color right here is Henna. I'm very shocked by this color because it's called henna and I was expecting more of a brown color. But this is like a grayish brown color. I think this is a very unique color and I think it is gorgeous. The next color is Choc. This is called Choc, C-H-O-C, Choc. I am in love with this color. This is like a reddish brown. Reminds me of like Kat Von D Vampira lip color. I can't wait to put this on my eyes. So the Colourpop Brown Sugar Collection also comes with 4 luxe lipsticks. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you guys. So this is the color Cinnamon. This is the color Cinnamon. It is super gorgeous, super pretty. And this is the color Brick. Obviously, I already messed it up a little bit, but that's the color Brick. And then this is the color, let's see, Chocolatier. So this is the color Buttercream. How stunning. Okay guys, so look at how stunning these colors are. So this is the color Butter. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous nude. It's like a corally nude. It's gonna look good on any brown girl, in my opinion, with maybe a really nice mahogany terracotta lip liner around it. It will be such a cute color combo. And this is the color Chocolatier. I think that color is just so freaking stunning. It is not like caca chocolate, but like a warm, pretty, beautiful chocolate color on your lips. And this color right here is Brick. That is a very pretty red undertone brown, which is gonna look gorgeous on any brown girl. And this shade right here is Cinnamon, and I think this cinnamon shade is just so gorgeous. Also comes with ultra glossy lips. I'm not a huge gloss girl, but I'm still gonna swatch these for you guys because it came part of the Brown Sugar collection, so why not? Glosses though, they're super gorgeous. How pretty are these glosses? Oh my god, they are gorgeous. My god, so pretty. Why do they smell so good? They smell like coconut. And if you see this applicator is really cute. I'm into it. I'm into it. So these are the two lip glosses. They are so pretty. I think Blousy or Blowsy is my favorite because it's so pretty. I would wear this over any of the colors. This is so pretty. Also comes with cream gel colors, and these are just so gorgeous. So guys, these are the 3 gel colors. This gold one is just fire though, like hello. So I am here for Rum. Rum is amazing. This is Rum. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this palette, this color Amber right here. And I'm just gonna take Amber and put Amber into my crease. Right away, when you go in with Amber, it's nice and pigmented. I was hoping it to be a little bit more pigmented. It's a bit streaky right when I put it on, but it's easily blendable, and then you can blend those streaks out. Pigmentation is not bad. It's really good. So guys, I'm going to a wedding today, so I'm not gonna go crazy with my makeup. I'm not gonna go ham. If you want me to do 3 looks with this eyeshadow palette, I'll probably be able to get 3 or 5 looks out of it. Just go ahead and let me know. Okay, so this orange is really pretty. It looks really good. The only thing is that I'm gonna say is I don't like, it's a little streaky. It's not going on as smooth as I would hope it would. It does grasp onto like certain areas of the eye and doesn't grasp on. It's not an even blend. So let's see if we could build this up and make it into an even blend. You could definitely build it up and make it into an even blend. Looks nice and even so far. Looking really good. I love these orange shades. Even though I need to slowly wing myself off of these orange shades in my crease, these sienna orange shades in my crease, they're still the classic color, and I still really like them. Okay, so then the next color that I'm gonna go into just to deepen up this crease is this color Chalk right here. That is a very pretty color. And I'm gonna take Chalk and put that into the outer corner. I'm using a Morphe E30 brush. This is their Luxe line brush, which I'm a fan of. Okay, so this color Chalk, I was a little alarmed by this one. I was a little scared. I thought it wasn't gonna be like as pigmented and blend. This one is actually way better than the Amber. It's super pigmented right when it went on, and it blends like a baby. You really don't need to do tons of layers with it because it is really pigmented, but you can see that little line right there. It's making it a little hard to blend, so when you layer it a lot, it's just a little hard to blend. But it could be that I was heavy-handed with the layers, but you know, like, I mean, that's a stunning eye right there. For eyes, I'm gonna go in with Auburn, but before I go in with Auburn, I'm gonna go in with this little color cream that they have. This is the color Nut, and this is also part of the collection. I'm only gonna use this because I want to have the color like be pigmented when it goes on my lids. But oh my god, how pretty is this? This is so pretty. OMG. That is a look. And then to set this color, I'm gonna go in with this color Auburn right here. And I'm just going to set Auburn on top of that just so it can have something to sit on. I really hope this does not crease on me, because that will be so unfortunate. And only me, only I would test out a new product before I'm going to a wedding. Only me. So Auburn goes on really nice. It's super nice and pigmented. The price, the blendability is amazing. Like, you could really work with it. Products that don't even perform on this level, and they were like $45, you guys, and ain't nobody got time to be spending $45 on a product and that shit does not work for you. So I ain't complaining about a $20 or a $10, I don't know how much this is, but I will share it with you guys. A $10 collection. I think the whole collection was $65, so this might be like 16 or something. I am not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye. And then, okay, so I just came back from the wedding. I had on this makeup on my face almost like 6 hours. The wedding was like about 6 hours long. That was a super long wedding. But if I'm gonna go back and look at my eyeshadow did not fade. It actually looks really good. I am super pleased. Shadows did not crease, the cream color, so this gel dot color did not make anything crease. It just went on nice and smooth. So these gel colors are really nice, and I'm about to go onto Colourpop and like purchase all of them, because these are really easy and nice to do like a cut crease with. Like, that is so pretty. Like, look at how pretty that is. Like, that looks like a banging cut crease. The brown, I mean, this just looks phenomenal. Looks really good. The bottom, for some odd reason, it did get a little slippery, and I think that's just because I didn't set my my concealer correctly. I think that's what it was. My final verdict on this brown sugar collection, I think this brown sugar palette is actually really good. I love this palette. I would definitely go with this palette if you're a beginner in makeup. It's so affordable and it performs so good. I think it would be really good for a beginner in makeup because you don't have to really put too much effort into making it work. This is definitely worth it. I don't know if I would go in for like a high-end neutral palette, because if this is an affordable neutral palette, then why not go for this one? I really like this one. This one was like really good. I was very impressed. It was so pretty. Everybody at the wedding was complimenting me on my eye makeup. They thought it was so cute. I would definitely go in for these cream gel colors. These were also really good. I was like, wow, it just one swipe and it went on so good. And it was like a really good texture where you can actually do like a nice clean cut crease. So I really like that. And then they blended really well. I don't know, sometimes when you use concealer doesn't blend as well for some odd reason, and I'll often see a lot of streaks going on. So this is really nice. As for the lipsticks, I don't know if I was too much of a fan of how the lipsticks glided on my lips. I will test them out more and then give you guys my final verdict on this collection. Just keep an eye out for it. But if I had to rate this whole brown sugar collection, I would give it a 4, because the eyeshadow palettes, all the eye stuff is really good. The lip stuff, you can always accommodate it with your own lips. And for a neutral, affordable, warm, taupey, warm color like collection, I thought this was pretty good for the price. It was amazing. Trust me, I have bought $50 palettes and they don't even perform as good as this does for a neutral palette. So that was really good. But yeah, you guys wanted to know what I thought about this brown sugar collection, so I'm so excited to share with you guys, and it was fun to share this with you guys, and thank you so much for coming to my channel and checking it out. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Makeup Monday. I will see you guys in the next Makeup Monday, and don't forget to stay tuned for my Wednesday video, my Foundation Friday video. As you guys know, I am transitioning to uploading 5 times a week. All that's going to be coming up. Schedules are going to be changing, but stay to date with your girl. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.